Yes, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to save a spreadsheet, or how to save your document, or how to save your Excel work. Now let us see the procedures of saving Excel works. So to save an Excel document, the first procedure is to select a file. First select a file, click on file, then click save or save as. So when you want to save for the first time, click save as, click save as. After clicking save as, in the save as dialog, select location for the file from the save in drop down menu. This one, save as type, where you want to save. Okay, now I enter the file name. The file name may be student report, maybe student report. After that one, click save. So by default your work will be saved in the document. So when you want to save in a certain area where you want to select, start by writing save as, then write the file name, then select where you want to save. For example, I want to save in the desktop. Click here, then save. So my work will be saved in the desktop. For example, when I minimize here, my work will be shown on this one. Yes, so this is how to save. It is very simple. Save and save as. So because I have saved it for the first time, so when I update my work, and I want to save it, simply click here, which is a shortcut of save. Click here, or click file and click save. So when you want to update your saved work, simply click save. But when you want to save for the first time, use the same procedure by selecting on file, save as, write the file name, and also select where you want to save your work, then click save. By following this procedure you've done by save as, or by saving your Excel sheet. Thank you. But in order to save your work, when you are saving any type of spreadsheet, the foreign characters are not allowed in the file name. For example, this one is not allowed. For example, when you write save, this one, the file name is not valid, because this one is not allowed in the file name. Or this one also is not allowed. So characters are not characters which are not allowed, including this one, including this one, and the others. So it is better to write only text. Remember from now on to save your work from time to time. So when you write anything, or when you update anything, remember to save your work. so as to update it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos. See you in the next video.